Hey guys, welcome to the ServiceNow world, and today we'll see part 21 of scenario based interview questions in ServiceNow. As you know, in this series, we are discussing about all the real time scenarios, or we can say scripting questions, which are given by interviewer during interview. So, without any delay, let's see today's task. So, today's task is that I have an Excel file which having 10 user records, and I want to insert only 8 records, that is from 2 to 9, into the user table. So how we can do that? So maybe there is one possibility is that interviewer want to know verbally from you, because if you are going to implement in the instance, so maybe it will take a lot of time, and like a interview having the limited amount of time. So maybe in that case, like they want to ask, they want to know from you, like whether you able to do it or not. So they don't want to implement in the system, but here I'll just show you on the instance how to implement it. Okay, so without any delay, let's go to the instance and try to implement it. So currently we are in the instance that is our ServiceNow PDM. Okay, so what we need to do? So I have already created a Excel file which having the 10 user records. So I'll show you. So if you see, I have created three different fields there. That is user ID, email, and name. And you see, I have stored from press test user 1 to test user 2. So what is the ask is that we have to remove this user, okay, this user and this user, and we have to insert only this much user from 2 to 9. Okay, so let's go to the instance and we'll see how to do that. So for that, firstly, in a separate tab, we'll open a sys user table. Okay, so we'll validate side by side. And here I'll put the filter that is created on today. So as expected, we don't see any record because we haven't created any record today. Okay, now here we'll just search load data, and here put the so I'll select this create table because I want to create a new import set table. So maybe that table name is user. Okay, the import set table, so their backend name is u underscore user. And then what I'll do, I'll upload this file. It's an Excel file. So I have that Excel file in desktop. So yes, and I selected that file, and now I'll click on submit. So now you will see that like all 10 records got inserted into the import set table, that u underscore user table. Okay, now next step, what we'll do, we'll create a transform map. So here we'll put the name of the one new transform map. So that might be user details. Okay, and the target table will be the sys user. Yes, sys user, and I'll save it. After saving it, what we need to do? We have to map map those fields from our import set table to the target table. So I just click on mapping assist, and there from import set table, that is email, I'll take the name, I'll take the user ID. Okay, and from here as well, from the target table, that is email, and then might be the name will be there. Yes, name and the user ID, and I'll just save it. Okay, so now you see that like we have done the field mapping. What else we have to do? So if I'll save it, Else, now second, what we need to do, like we have to write a script. So before writing a script, we have to see firstly like what we have, what we need to do. Okay, so I'll open one more duplicate tab and I'll open this import set table, that is our source table. Okay, so if I'll uh, arrange this in ascending order, and from here, from personalized list, I'll take the name. Okay, so before writing the script, I just want you to know like what exactly we are going to write. Okay, so if you see in the row number 0, in the row number 0 we have the test user 1, and in the row number 9 we have the test user 10. So we have to exclude these two users, right? Right, and rest of them we need to insert into the user table. So for that, what we'll do, we'll come to our transform app and check the run script, and here we'll write if source dot sys import row greater than 0 and source dot sys import row less than equal to 8. Why I put 8? Okay, and if I reverse this condition, okay, if I reverse this condition by putting the not and put the ignore equal to, and I'll save it. Why we need to reverse it? Because we have to exclude the row which is greater than 0 and less than equal to 8. So this 0 will get excluded, okay, and this test user 10 also get excluded, and rest of them will get inserted from test user 2 to test user 9 will get inserted. Okay, so if I'll save it again, then here I'll just click on transform, and then again I click on transform. You see that like transformation completed. So if I'll come to a target table, that is sys user table, and refresh it, see what we are getting. We are getting from test user 2 to test user 9. We have excluded the user test user 1 and test user 10. Okay, so if I show you the script again, what exactly I have did. Because rest you are able to create the transform apps, but only challenge script. So what we did, like sys import row. Sys import row is the row number, that this one. You see that like row. Their backend name is sys import row. So that's why, and here it's puts the numbering. So you will see the Excel. Yeah. So if you see in this Excel sheet, so how ServiceNow has been treated. So the first one will be the header row, and the second will be the row number 0. Okay, this one 0, like that, this one is 1, this one is 2, something like that. So like that, it's a 0 to 9. Okay, and same if you see here, the row number 0 to 9, and we have excluded, that is row number 0 and row number 9. Rest from row number 1 to row number 8 got inserted into the target table, that is test user 2 to test user 9. So I think you got it because the script is pretty much simple. And if you still have any doubt, please write in the comment box. Till that time, thank you. God bless you all.